Hey guys, it's Ryan. Welcome once again to my channel. So in this video, I am going to unbox something very fresh, very new from Gucci. So it's actually a collaboration project. It's called the Hacker Project by Gucci and Balenciaga. So they came up with this project to sort of create new interpretations of their signature pieces. So I'm currently unboxing a card case from the collection, so I just thought we'll try and buy a piece from that collection because we've actually run out of gift ideas for Christmas. So yeah, so this is kind of like a test run. See if we can buy multiple items from this project. So the packaging is generic, so green box and green gift box. So there's a touch of Balenciaga on the ribbon, as you can see. And there's also an envelope with all the documentation, the receipt, and some information about the project. And the box that it came with is reversible actually, so you can reuse it. And there's also a personalized greeting card, and we're gonna try and see if we can order multiple copies of this. The card case retails for $670 and that's in New Zealand dollars. So yeah, as you can see, this is the gift box. It's green and gray to show the Balenciaga and Gucci collaboration. There's a gift tag, and there's also a cute dust bag with the branding for both fashion houses. So it's kind of cute. It's cloth, just the usual Gucci dust bag, and here's the card case. So it's made of canvas, coated canvas, with a Gucci monogram, and also the Balenciaga logo or brand printed on just one side, and then on the other side there are 4 card slots, and there's still plenty of room in the actual card case, which could probably fit maybe 5-6 cards in it. I don't think you will be able to fit some other daily essentials in it, like lip balms and other stuff. It's probably just big enough for a few cards, but obviously you don't want to overstuff it. And then the interior lining of the card case is also the Supreme canvas material. So is the strap. So there's like a 4 to 8 centimeter strap, which is made of Supreme canvas as well. So they call it Supreme canvas material, and it's just Gucci logos all around it. And it looks really, really durable and looks really, really nice. You can actually detach it from the card case and then use it for your other SLGs, like the Ophelia small leather goods. But I really, really like the strap, and you can see that there's a ring, a gold ring that detaches from the card case and connects it to the lanyard. So this is a typical Balenciaga way of attaching straps to their card or small leather goods. And another thing that I really, really love with this piece is that it's very simple looking. It's not tacky. The Balenciaga print is just white, and it's just on the other side of the card holder. So overall, I think this is a must-have, and this is a great gift idea for your friends or your family. Yeah, and it's very fashionable. It's unisex, and it's very, very affordable, and it's always available on the website. It's not, because a lot of the items from this project are like almost sold out, including the bags. So yeah, thanks for watching, and you guys stay safe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.